Replace electric door lock tutorial. First, disconnect the 3 wire terminals on the side of the electric door lock. The yellow end is the electric door lock. The red end is the right brake lever. The blue end is the throttle. Then pull out the glove. Loosen the fixed electric door lock, brake handle, and accelerator screw. Take these parts out. Note that this step can be operated directly on the car without removing the handlebar like in the video. Install the electric door lock, brake handle, and accelerator one by one. Then install the fixing screws and then install the handle. Finally, connect all the wire ends correspondingly.